A lash inspection mirror will be your best friend when it comes to checking your work. An inspection mirror allows you to see your set from your client's point of view without having them open their eyes during the service. Take a look at this spike right here. I can tell that this spike is throwing off the aesthetic of the set because it doesn't flow with the direction of the other lashes. Instead, it's kind of flopping over and making the set look a little bit messy. But thankfully, this is a quick and easy fix. To correct this, all I'm going to do is look at my inspection mirror to help identify the spike that I want to remove, grip it with my tweezers, then find the natural lash that it's attached to and just banana peel it right off. Now that the spike is removed, I'm going to use my mirror again to see where I want my replacement spike to go. Then I'm just going to isolate and make sure that there are no other lashes in my isolated area because that can mess up our placement. Now I have my fan and I'm placing it down on an angle so that it flows with the direction of my other extensions. Now let's go ahead and take a look, and perfect. You can see that it flows much nicer with the other extensions and the set looks neat and clean. So you can do this at any point during your service. Both Caitlin and I always do this, and I swear it's what makes our sets look so clean every time.